In this lesson, we will see the prepositions together, but more precisely, we will see des. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So this lesson is about des. And the preposition des can be translated in English as from, as soon as, or starting from, depending on the context. So we will see 4 examples with des. Dès mon arrivée, j'ai appelé mes parents. Dès mon arrivée, j'ai appelé mes parents. Elle commencera à travailler dès l'aube. Elle commencera à travailler dès l'aube. Dès son jeune âge, il aimait la musique. Dès son jeune âge, il aimait la musique. Ils partiront dès demain matin. Ils partiront dès demain matin.